Should have brought a pickup truck.
When you head out for a weekend camping trip, have you ever run into this situation, wanting the comfort of an SUV, but also the large cargo capacity of a pickup truck? So the question is, how can you have both? Simple. Install a set of roof rack crossbars on this Ford Bronco Sport. These are roof rack crossbars for the 2021-2025 Ford Bronco Sport. The factory rack is a raised design, so the roof rack crossbars mount using a clamp on system. Next, let's begin the assembly. Let's take a look. This is the instruction manual. This vehicle has on-road and off-road versions, so it includes 2 rubber pads. Today we're installing the off-road version. These are the base feet. This is the toolkit, which includes the keys and screws. 2 aluminum crossbars. L indicates the left base feet. R indicates the right base feet. Make sure the arrow on the label points in the installation direction. There are 2 aluminum crossbars, the longer one installs at the front and the shorter one at the rear. These pads are labeled on-road, meaning they're for the on-road version. Since this is the off-road version, we won't use them. First, remove the screws from the aluminum crossbars.
"2,000 years later."
The aluminum crossbars have a curved profile. The wider side faces forward. This aerodynamic design helps reduce wind noise. The base feet feature a locking design, providing anti-theft protection and added security. Do not fully tighten the screws, just pre-tighten them. Loosen the screw on the top of the base feet. This allows the bottom component to move freely. Make sure the rubber pad fits perfectly against the vehicle's roof rail. The base feet include built-in tie-down loops, allowing you to secure items easily with ropes. Now we'll complete the final step by tightening the screws at the connection points between the base feet and the aluminum crossbars. In this way, you get the comfort of an SUV and the cargo capacity of a pickup truck. I'm not modifying a vehicle. I'm giving an ordinary SUV the ability to go wherever you want, whenever you want.